Hi, it's Brent with Bowman Chevy, and I'm here with our first 2022 Bolt EUV to hit the ground. Been a lot of excitement, a lot of questions about this car since they unveiled it a few months ago. And the number one question that we get asked is, how do you charge the car? Chevy fixed that with this car. This car comes with a charge cord that you can plug into your standard plug outlet when you get home, and also the ability to plug into a 240 volt outlet. And I'll show you that. Alright, so you get your Bolt home first day. You want to plug it in. This is a charger that comes with the car that you can use right when you get home. This is the adapter for the 120 volt level 1 charging capabilities. But this car is unique that it comes with the level 2 charger. And Chevy has made it much easier to get this installed at home. They cover up to $1,000 worth of installation to have that plug installed at home. When you purchase the car, your sales consultant can help you set all of that up. If you want more information, go to bowmanchevy.com or please give us a call.